You are a teacher and you want to check your students' assignment for plagiarism with the Compilatio Magister software. In this 2-minute video, I will show you how to organize your documents on your account. You create a new folder in the left menu. To save time, you can launch the analysis automatically as soon as your documents are dropped in your account. Click here. To compare documents with each other, you can schedule the date and time of your analysis. If you do not select a date and time, you can still perform the analysis manually. To prioritize the assignments to be checked, you can define the thresholds of similarity of your analysis results. These indicators are defined according to your school's policy, the subject taught, or the importance of the assignment. The document database contains documents saved by Magister users from their accounts. The option is enabled by default. Remember to confirm your settings by clicking on Save. You add documents to your folder manually by selecting Documents on your computer, remotely by authorizing your students to deliver documents to you. To get the information you need quickly, you can sort your list of documents in different ways: by submission date, percentage of similarities, authors. You can perform individual or massive action on your documents: launch massive analysis, move to another folder, downloading PDF, remove documents. You have seen how easy it is to get organized with the Compilatio Magister folder options. Discover other features of the software in video.